It's time to cook this little pig.
Need help, man?
Hi there, welcome to Sognova Animation Studios. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to show how we animated this friendly chef character right here in our 2D animation studio. All our animations are handcrafted in 2D. That's the heart and soul of our channel, so grab your popcorn, get comfortable, and enjoy watching how we brought this scene to life. The full animation will premiere on November 1st, and every Friday we'll be sharing how we animate our characters step by step until the final scene is complete. If you're studying animation, passionate about the craft, or a voice actor from the US or Latin America, feel free to use our characters to practice and share your work with the Sognova community. We want to make this channel a space for artists who love traditional animation and put heart into everything they do.
It's time to cook this little pig.
Even though AI is now part of our world, we're not afraid. As an independent animation studio, we see it as an opportunity to enhance our projects, not to replace the human touch that gives art its soul. This is just the first part of bringing this scene to life. We'll show you the full animation at the end.
It's time to cook this little pig.